Doug, lead painter. We do all the paint work for E.C.D here at the lab. Our process pretty much starts with, we get our parts in, then we inspect the parts, check for damage, check to see if they need to be sandblasted, sandblast them if necessary. Okay, then we check to see, find our dents and so forth, grind them up, body work them out. Well, they get, there's a grinding process for the bottom to be able to stick properly. Then they're blocked out to make sure everything gets straightened up as much as possible, or as needed. Then the parts get put in the spray booth. They get primed. Come out of the spray booth after a significant amount of drying time. Then we take them and block them all out, and then they get final sanded, inspected again for any chips and things like that. Those are all taken care of. Then they get put in the booth. Come over here, make them, grease and wax, remove them on down. Then we get our colors from whatever the customer decides what color he wants to pick, and you got an unlimited amount of colors to be able to put on any vehicle at any way you want, two-tone, whatever the customer decides. We use PPG products, specifically the Deltron line. We use the DBC base coat along with the high solid 2021 clear, and that, as far as I'm concerned, some of the best products that are on the market. We then get them in the spray booth, paint all our vehicles in pieces, so they get jammed in, clear base coated, clear coated. Then we just continue on, and then after we get them all painted up, we'll cut them with about 1500 grit, and then we polish all the parts, making sure they're all smooth, and check, make sure everything's good, and then they're shipped on down to cosmetic to be put together, fabbed up.